Yeah, so the Difference Makers Conference, it's basically just a thing that I wanted to start doing a couple of years ago, 3 or 4 years ago maybe, about teaching the business side of the business, whether it's pressure washing, a pest control business, electrical, plumbing, whatever, small businesses, just to help guys understand and learn the business side of their business, which can involve money matters, understanding P&L statements, balance sheets, setting budgets, learning how to price your services that you offer, and also guys that want to learn how to get commercial properties, want to learn how to create residual, different revenue streams, things of that nature. So it's primarily always been Jeffrey Blackman and myself, but this time we've added Ray Burke out of Tallahassee. He also he does a lot of commercial work, also does drone work. He's going to bring his drone. He'll do actual demonstration of that. And then also Pat Clark out of Duncan, North Carolina, who's been in the industry many years. Both Ray and Pat have been in the industry for well over 10 years. So I always invite them about every 2 to 3 years to come in and do something with us. So Jeff and I invited them to come out and also talk. So that's what it's about. It's about showing you guys some of the things that have been the difference makers in our business and how we grew our businesses and all of that. So we'll cover working with property managers. We'll cover working with HOAs, high-end residential sales. Pat's going to do something on how you build a team so that if your company gets to that level or is at that level and you need to add people on, you can do that. So check it out at pressurewashingschool.com/events. It's February 6th and 7th right here in the Houston, Texas area. It'll be at the Country Inn and Suites. We have a meeting room there as well as a discounted rate on hotel rooms so that you can fly in. The airport's only 10 minutes away. They got a shuttle. They'll come pick you up. So we've made everything as easy as possible, and we're just excited to share some things that have been difference makers, not only in our lives, but also in our businesses. So I certainly hope that you can make it. If you have any questions about it, feel free to email me, pressurecleaningschool@gmail.com, or you can call or text 281-883-3630, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Difference Makers Business Conference, February 6th and 7th. Right now, there's an early sign-up discount fee if you want to get signed up before January 15th. All right? Thank y'all, and y'all have a very, very blessed day.